Warm welcome you all for my presentation. This is Dr. P Amutha, Head Department of Computer Application. In this video, I am going to discuss about inheritance in C++. Outline of this presentation is introduction, syntax, types of inheritance, and access specifier. Inheritance is a process in which new classes are derived from the old classes, that is existing classes. The new class is named as derived class or child class or subclass. The existing class, that is old class, is known as the base class, parent class or superclass. What is subclass and superclass? Subclass is a class that inherits the properties from the existing one, that is another class, is called as a subclass or derived class. Superclass. The superclass is whose properties are inherited by the some other class, that is subclass, is called as a base class or superclass. How to implement inheritance in C++? C++ provides syntax for creating new class from the existing class. The syntax is class followed by derived class name followed by colon, access specifier followed by base class name. In this syntax, the term class represents the keyword to create a new class. The term derived class name represents the name of the new class. Access specifier can be either private, public or protected. If neither is given, private is a default access specifier in C++. The term base class name represents the name of the superclass, that is base class. Types of inheritance in C++. C++ supports 5 types of inheritance. What are they? Single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. We will see all the types in the upcoming slide. Single inheritance. Single inheritance is a process of creating a derived class from the only one base class. The symbolic representation of process involved in single inheritance is given in figure. Multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is a process of creating derived class from the more than one base classes. The symbolic representation of process of multiple inheritance is given in the figure. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is a process of creating a derived class from the another derived class. The symbolic representation of derived class from existing derived class is shown in figure. Hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is a process of creating more than one subclasses from a single base class. The symbolic representation of process involved in hierarchical inheritance is shown in figure. Hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is a process of combining more than one type of inheritance. For example, combining hierarchical inheritance with multiple inheritance. The process of hybrid inheritance is shown in the figure. Attainment of inheritance in C++. The main advantage of inheritance is code reusability. What is meant by code reusability? For creating derived class from the parent class without defining its member again and again. So, less code and less time is required to define the new classes. Thank you for watching this video.